Hello everyone, I'm Ryan Chan, the CEO and founder of Upkeep. In today's video, we're going to explore some practical ways to supercharge your preventive maintenance and reliability program. We'll shed light on how to tackle equipment reliability issues, form a diverse expert team, and properly categorize your equipment. We will also discuss how to optimize your maintenance tasks and frequency using your CMMS, your maintenance management system. And finally, we will introduce you to a more user-friendly platform that can make your maintenance management more efficient. So, let's get started. Imagine you're managing a team, and you've noticed that the current maintenance schedule isn't quite hitting the mark. Equipment reliability is becoming a concern. It's clear that some adjustments are needed, but where do you start? First off, let's acknowledge that revising and improving a preventive maintenance program isn't an overnight fix. It requires patience and a methodical approach, especially since any changes might challenge the existing organizational culture. But don't worry, even without a formal reliability-centered maintenance plan, there are effective steps you can take to enhance your program. Here's a practical approach. Start by forming a small expert team, ideally 3 to 4 people, mixing maintenance and operations personnel. This diversity will help in assessing the program from multiple perspectives. Now focus on categorizing your equipment into 3 levels: critical, very important, and important. Begin with the critical equipment, as these are crucial for your operations. Select one critical asset to start with, and pull up all its scheduled preventive maintenance activities from your maintenance management system, or CMMS. Next, identify the failure mode of this equipment. Is the failure age-related or not? This will guide you in deciding the types of maintenance tasks to schedule. For instance, if the failure mode is non-age related, avoid scheduling unnecessary restoration tasks. Each task should then be scrutinized. Is it meaningful? Does it align with the failure mode identified? This is crucial because performing irrelevant tasks, like the proverbial polishing chrome, won't extend equipment life or improve reliability. Once you've reviewed the tasks in the CMMS, consider the task frequency. It's common to find that some tasks are scheduled too frequently based on past experiences rather than current needs. This is an area where significant cost savings can be found by optimizing the frequency of tasks without compromising reliability. For equipment with age-related failure modes, consider pairing time-based restoration tasks with scheduled predictive on-condition tasks. This approach is more efficient and can prevent unnecessary replacements. Moving on, systematically review the remaining equipment in the same detailed manner. It gets easier as you progress, as patterns and similarities emerge, allowing for quicker adjustments. Setting clear goals for your team is also vital. Monitor the progress with regular reports to ensure that the preventive maintenance tasks are not only optimized, but also completed on time. Lastly, ensure your maintenance management software supports your goals efficiently. If your current system feels too cumbersome, consider switching to a more user-friendly platform like Upkeep, which simplifies updating PM schedules and task frequencies and facilitates the creation of follow-up work orders for inspections that reveal issues. Remember, the key to a successful preventive maintenance program lies in its continual assessment and improvement. By taking these thoughtful steps, you can ensure your equipment operates reliably, and your maintenance efforts contribute positively to the bottom line. And that wraps up our video for today. We've discussed how to supercharge your preventive maintenance and reliability program, optimize your tasks, and use your CMMS more efficiently. Thank you for watching. If you found this video informative, please subscribe to our channel for more content like this. To learn more about our solutions and how we can help you improve your maintenance management, visit us at upkeep.com. Until next time, keep your maintenance up to speed with Upkeep.